I'm gonna showing you how to get a tank in the military base.
Excuse me, I so close.
After completing the mission, you can go to make sure you wear a military suit, because if you will not wear a military suit, the gate will not be open. So this way, and there's it. It's a tank. Very easy. Enjoy the tank. Thank you. And you can drive the tank. In first mission you cannot drive it, but if you complete the mission you can drive it. Almost drive it outside. Yeah, amazing. Thank you.